Do you want to invest in the stock market but don't know where to start? Welcome to the exciting yet sometimes intimidating world of stock market investing. It's a world where fortunes can be made, where the bold and informed thrive, and where the potential for growth can be staggering. Yet it's also a world that can be a maze for beginners. With a sea of stocks to choose from and a barrage of information to digest, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why it's crucial to educate oneself, to understand the basics, and to strategize before diving in. Remember, every seasoned investor was once a beginner. Every Wall Street tycoon started with their first trade. The key is informed decision-making, understanding the risks, and having a clear strategy. Investing in stocks can be a rewarding venture if done wisely. So, are you ready to get started? First things first. Understanding what stocks are and how the market works is crucial for any beginner. Let's think of stocks as tiny slices of a company that you can buy. When you purchase a stock, you essentially become a partial owner of that company. It's like having a piece of the pie, the size of which depends on the number of shares you own, relative to the total number of shares issued by the company. But why do companies issue stocks in the first place? Well, companies issue stocks to raise capital. This money can be used for a variety of purposes, such as funding new projects, expanding into new markets, or even paying off debt. Now let's talk about the stock market. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, people are buying and selling stocks. This is essentially what a stock market is, a place where buyers and sellers meet to trade stocks. But how are stock prices determined? This is where supply and demand come into play. If more people want to buy a stock, demand, then sell it, supply, then the price moves up. Conversely, if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price moves down. Think of it like an auction. If a lot of people want the same piece of art, they'll bid up the price. But if no one's interested in a particular item, its price will likely decrease. It's also important to note that the stock market operates on a system of bids and asks. A bid is the price someone is willing to pay for a stock, while an ask is the price at which someone is willing to sell. The difference between these two prices is called the spread. In essence, the stock market is a complex, dynamic environment where prices are constantly changing based on the collective behavior of its participants. Now that you've got a basic understanding of stocks in the market, it's time to dive into the world of online trading. The next step in your investing journey is to choose the right trading platform. This decision is crucial, as it's the main tool you'll use to manage your investments. Think of it as the vehicle that will drive you towards your financial goals. Now, there are countless trading platforms out there, each with its own set of features and fees. It can be overwhelming, but don't fret. It's all about finding the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Consider factors like user interface, ease of use, fees, and customer support. A user-friendly platform can make your trading experience smoother, especially if you're just starting out. Look for platforms with intuitive interfaces and resources to help you understand the market. Fees, of course, are a major consideration. Some platforms offer commission-free trading, but remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch. These platforms might make money in other ways, like through premium services or selling order flow. Customer support is another key factor. You want a platform that responds promptly and accurately to your queries. After all, it's your hard-earned money at stake. And finally, do your research, read reviews, compare features, and even test drive a few platforms if possible. Choosing the right platform is like setting a solid foundation for your investing journey, so choose wisely. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to place your first trade. Now let's delve into this exciting moment. First, you'll need to select a stock to invest in. This is where all your prior research comes into play. Remember, you're looking for companies with a strong outlook and potential for growth. Next, decide on the number of shares you want to buy. As a rookie investor, it's wise to start small. You might consider buying just a handful of shares. This strategy helps to limit your exposure to risk while you're still learning the ropes. Now comes the moment of truth, executing the trade. On your chosen platform, you'll enter the stock symbol of the company you've selected, input the number of shares you want to buy, and then click the Buy button. It's as simple as that. In a matter of seconds, you've become a part owner of a business. However, don't let the simplicity fool you. Investing is a complex game that requires patience, research, and a cool head. It's not about making a quick buck, but about building wealth over time. Never forget the importance of diversification. Spreading your investments across various sectors and companies can help to protect your portfolio from sudden market downturns. And there you have it, you've just placed your first trade. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards becoming a stock market investor. You've just explored the fascinating realm of stock trading, from understanding the basics of stocks and the market to choosing the right trading platform, and finally, placing your first trade. No doubt it's a lot to take in. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Investing is not just about making money, it's about learning, growing, and expanding your financial literacy. And this video is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of stock market investing awaiting your discovery. So don't stop here. Continue to learn, continue to grow, engage with other traders, ask questions, read books, and most importantly, practice. The more you learn, the better you'll be at navigating the market's highs and lows. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Here's to your investing journey.